Hello and welcome to Dream IIT 4U. Dream IIT 4U is an online educational institute started by Shivam Goswami B.tech IT in year 2018. This institute provides recorded lectures for subjects physics, chemistry and mathematics on YouTube for all engineering entrance exams in India IIT-JEE, UPSEE, AMUEEE, KIITEE, SRM-JEE, etc. This institution is also offering coaching for various other competitive examinations such as NTSE, KVPY, various state and national CBSE Olympiads, pre-foundation course for IIT and foundation course for 11-12 with their boards preparation. Why Dream IIT 4U? 1. Innovative approach. Our extremely innovative and advanced testing platform, an extremely robust discussion forum and multimedia modules are the best features. 2. Online 24/7 and free classes are available for students at any time. All recorded video lectures are available free of cost to the students. 3. Dedication to quality. This institution provide best quality content to students and always try to satisfy needs of students. Thank you for watching the video. Please follow our YouTube channel and stay connected with us.